Welcome to Seabird Pension, your coastal haven in Yeongdeok-gun, South Korea. Ready to book your escape? Scan the QR code on the screen or check the description below for direct booking links and special offers. Seabird Pension is a charming 4.5-star retreat, perfectly positioned along Yeongdeok-gun's breathtaking coastline. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of the ocean and spending your days immersed in the beauty of nature. We offer a serene experience, ideal for couples, friends, or anyone seeking a peaceful getaway. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in comfortably, and check-out is at 11 a.m., giving you ample time to savor your last moments in paradise. Seabird Pension features 2 thoughtfully designed rooms, each crafted to provide ultimate comfort and tranquility. While we maintain a policy that doesn't allow children to stay free of charge, this ensures a peaceful environment tailored specifically to adult guests seeking relaxation. Our sports facilities are exceptional. Enjoy direct access to the beach, perfect for sunbathing, beach volleyball, and leisurely strolls along the shore. The gentle sound of the waves creates a soothing atmosphere, making Seabird Pension the perfect place to unwind and recharge. The pension is close to the Donghae coast, providing access to other activities. Whether you're here to explore local attractions or simply soak in the picturesque scenery, we're dedicated to delivering an unforgettable experience. Ready to book your tranquil escape? Don't forget to scan the QR code for easy access to booking details and special promotions. We look forward to welcoming you to Seabird Pension.